Welcome to this how-to guide. So today we're going to look at how to do a satin stitch, and that stitch is simply where we're filling in boxes or large areas using an embroidery stitch. To start off, you want to have your fabric attached to your embroidery hoop with your thread and your knot at one end. You want to start off by doing big stitches to start off with. So you want big loops, and instead of doing as a running stitch, you do them in a straight line. You want to now do them side by side. So you want to go along the way in length, and by doing so, you're creating this, and you can overlap them, you can underlap them, you can go up halfway through the middle, you could push into one other stitch. This stitch is a lot more relaxed in how it'll look at the very end. So really it pays off to do the more stitches, the better the shape will be filled in. For this I had drawn a small box, as you'll see, using tailor's chalk. Normally I would have used a pencil to draw it so it comes off easier or not less seen, but for the purpose of this video I have used tailor's chalk. And you want to keep doing this until a point where your shape is totally filled. And you can go up the middle, down the middle, and it's enhancing that look. So when you look at it, it will be completely smooth and filled in the box. And that's how you do a satin stitch, or how to infill a shape using an embroidery stitch.